Welcome to Topical Economics. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our insightful videos on key economic concepts. In today's video, we're diving into the topic of the role of government. I'll be walking you through some past paper multiple-choice questions, carefully analyzing each one to explain why the correct answer is what it is. Whether you're preparing for exams or just want to strengthen your understanding of economics, this video will help you get to grip with important concepts in a clear and practical way. So, let's get started. Starting with the first question. What is most likely to be the responsibility of a central government? A. The provision of immigration officials at an airport. B. The provision of security cameras in a shopping center. C. The provision of security staff at a bank. D. The provision of ticket inspectors on a train. The most likely responsibility of a central government is option A, the provision of immigration officials at an airport. Immigration enforcement and border control are typically national-level responsibilities because they deal with national security, border policy, and regulation of entry into the country. Immigration officials at airports are part of this system. The other options, B, C, and D, tend to fall under local or private sector responsibilities. For example, security in a shopping center, bank, or train service are typically managed by local authorities, businesses, or transportation companies. Moving to the second question. What is most likely to be the responsibility of a government? A. The building of a food processing plant. B. The building of a housing estate. C. The building of a large shopping center. D. The building of a major rail link. The correct answer for this question is option D, the building of a major rail link. Governments are generally responsible for large-scale infrastructure projects that benefit the public and contribute to national or regional development. A major rail link fits this description, as it provides essential transportation, supports economic growth, and often serves broader public needs such as connectivity, accessibility, and regional development. The other options, A, B, and C, are typically private sector projects or may involve local government planning but are not usually the central responsibility of government. Option A, food processing plant, is usually built and operated by private companies. Next, option B, housing estate. While governments may regulate or provide some funding for housing projects, they are generally not directly responsible for building residential estates, which is often handled by private developers. Lastly, option C, shopping center, is typically a private sector development aimed at commercial profit. So, the construction of a major rail link aligns most closely with the role of the government in providing public infrastructure. Thank you for watching this video. I hope the explanations of past paper questions and the reasoning behind the correct answers helped clarify some key concepts. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Topical Economics for more insightful lessons and exam tips. Your support is truly appreciated, and it encourages me to keep creating valuable content to help you succeed. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks again for being a part of the Topical Economics community.